Okay, Jane.
Thank you, Hugh. Councillor Philip Evans, we can start the meeting.
Right, thank you. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this evening's meeting of the General Licensing Committee, which we're attending remotely. My name's Philip Evans, and I'm chairing the meeting this evening. I can confirm that a sound check has been conducted before the start of the meeting, and I assume that everyone can hear me. Can I welcome everyone to the meeting? In addition to committee members, we've also non-committee members, cabinet members and officers joining us to assist in our discussions. For those viewing the live stream recording, committee members are identified with an asterisk by their name. The meeting will be recorded and live streamed. Should the live streaming fail during the course of the meeting, we will continue and a recording will be available through the Council's website at the conclusion of the meeting. Can I remind members that translation facilities are available? If you wish to speak, please use the raise hand function, and you can also use the chat facility, but please remember that I may not be able to monitor this at all times during the meeting. All microphones will be muted. If you've indicated your intention to speak, you'll be invited to turn your microphone on. If you leave your device for any reason, please ensure you're muted and that you turn your video off. Thank you. So moving quickly on, item 1, apologies for absence.
Councillors Keith Eales, Abdul Khan and Dave Roberts.
Thank you. And any personal interest, declarations of personal interest, members are reminded they must declare the existence and nature of any declared personal interests. I can't see any. Councillor Jenkins?
Mae gan I eisiau bach o arweiniad i ddweud y gwir. Yn yr adroddiad ynglyn â'r driver taxi, mae un o'r tystion, dwi'n siŵr bod fi'n nabod o Dolgarog. Dwi'n yn gwybod os di hynny o bwys. Diolch.
Fyswn i'n deud, os da chi yn ei nabod o, a da chi di nabod yr enw hefyd yn y papura, fysa'n well i chi adael y cyfarfod ar yr adeg yma, dwi'n meddwl. Felly, dwi'n cymryd pan fydd yr eitem yna'n dod fyny, fyddach chi'n cael eich rhoi yn yr waiting room, dwi'n meddwl. Iawn.
Oce, diolch fawr, Catherine. Diolch fawr.
Oce, diolch fawr, James. Councillor Harry Saville.
Yeah, thank you, Chairman. It's not a declaration of interest, but when we're just listening to Councillor Jenkins, I was struggling to hear the translation. I've got a suspicion, doesn't the person who's speaking normally go quieter when translation goes louder? That didn't happen. It was quite difficult to follow what was being said. And I can see Councillor Dawes nodding her head, so I think she might be in the same position as me.
Okay. Right, so that's noted. I'm sure it'll be resolved if it occurs again. Right, item 3 is urgent items. I'm not aware of any. Item 4, minutes of the meeting held on the 17th of May, pages 3 to 7. So page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, and page 7. Somebody like
I'll move the minutes, Chair.
I'll second, Chair.
Seconded by JR. Can you raise your hands so we can see if you're all in agreement? There we are, and that is carried. Thank you. Chairman's announcements, I have none. And then we move on to the exempt item, item 6, and you'll see that there is a certificate signed by one of our solicitors confirming that there would be prejudice if information was disclosed. So, would somebody like to propose that we exclude press and public for the reasons stated in the certificate?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I'll second then.
All in agreement? Thank you. So at this point, Councillor Jenkins will be leaving us. Does he want to come back in? No.
I need to stop recording first.